Let's see how to play iPad games with keyboard and mouse. In the first step, open Settings. Now go to Accessibility. Next, choose Touch. Then turn on Assistive Touch. In the next step, open Settings. Now select Bluetooth. Now enable Bluetooth. Next, pair keyboard and mouse. In the next step, open Settings. Then select Accessibility. Next, choose Pointer Control. Then modify pointer speed. In the next step, open Settings. Now tap on General, then choose Keyboard. After that, turn on full keyboard access. In the next step, start your game. Later, look for keyboard or mouse support in game settings. Then modify controls if possible. You are good to go.